An example of that is the fact that you can put in one article or one keyword into this software and import over 10,000. Hey, it's Marty from martyenglander.com, and in today's video I'm bringing you a reaction video, a review video of a up-and-coming software called AffiliBuilder, and I'm also going to react to their demo video, which is where I'm going to give you my thoughts as the video goes on about how it all works and what they're saying and how realistic, as well as going to do a quick analysis of the actual sales page to see if they're leaving anything out or they're just playing on our hopes and dreams. Why am I doing this? Well, I for years have suffered from something called shiny object syndrome, and I'm sure you've probably heard of it if you have ever wanted to invest in money making softwares and stuff like that. But I kind of got sick and tired of wasting money time and time again. So now I want to let you know at the end of the video if this is something I would actually invest my money in, or if it's not going to be as honest and as transparent with everything, and I'm going to give you both sides, if it's good, if it's bad, and everything like that. So if that's the sort of thing that you're interested in, stay tuned. Okay, so here we are on the sales page of AffiliBuilder. The public does not have access to this sales page at this moment in time. It's launching in a day or two, but I just wanted to get my thoughts out there before people actually buy it. Create a complete monetized WordPress affiliate site in just minutes. Okay, so that's actually not too bad. It's just basically saying you in a summarized way that with this plugin, you're going to be able to create a website which is going to be populated with lots of affiliate offers, and it's going to basically do it for you. Okay, because the fact that it's saying in just minutes is claiming that it's going to be done for you, because if you're doing it yourself, then it's going to take a lot more than a few minutes. No content creation needed, no APIs needed, completely automated. So that's really interesting, and the fact that you don't need to produce your own content, you don't need to do any techie connecting with Google APIs or YouTube APIs, and it's completely automated for you. It's kind of reassurance that yeah, the software does it all for you. Okay, so here, create your entire affiliate site in just minutes. Okay, it doesn't really give much more away from that, but if we relate it to here, then it kind of tells us okay, it's going to do everything. 10,000 plus articles to choose from. Now this, I'm a little skeptical of this because it doesn't say that it's spinning the articles or anything like that. If you don't know what spinning is, it's basically taking words and changing the words to different words so it creates unique text. Now if there's 10,000 people on the platform, each one, or if it's that easy to automate a site, then these 10,000 articles are going to become really, really saturated. But if there's a spinner built into the software, then it's not too bad. But I don't see anything about spinners, so that already is I'm not too sure. 1.7 plus million images to choose from. Okay, that's great. However, it doesn't say if they are royalty free or kind of like where they're coming from. So are these images going to be copyrighted, which can get us into trouble, or is it completely compliant? We don't know. It's not actually telling us. Do you see how much information is missed off with just these little things? Next, complete SEO friendly affiliate site in just seconds. Okay, that's great. However, a lot of people get confused with a website which is booming with SEO as opposed to an SEO friendly website. An SEO friendly website is basically means that it's optimized for Google, but it doesn't actually mean it's going to get rankings, because it's the content that gets ranking. So the SEO friendly aspect of it is basically saying, yeah, the website might load fast and stuff like that, but it doesn't really mean that it's going to get rankings. It just means it's capable of getting rankings. So again, it's all good having an affiliate website, but it's not said anything about traffic. Okay, and let's face it, you can have the best offer in the world, but if you've got no eyeballs on it, what's the point? Okay, must have for every WordPress user. Okay, so it's a WordPress plugin or theme. I'm not quite sure. It doesn't actually say. It just says WordPress user, so I'm assuming it's either a theme or a plugin. I guess we'll find out. I'm not going to watch this video because I've actually got the demo video Actually, just let me quickly click it. Okay, so this is a bit of a demo video. This is different to what I've got. I'm going to do the one that I've got. But yeah, okay, so that does look slightly detailed, so that's not too bad. Usually it's just like an animation that doesn't really tell you much. It just plays on your hopes and dreams. But so far, this isn't really scammy. It's not, in my eyes, it's not really screaming scam or you're going to lose money so far. So that's good, I guess. Let's quickly scroll down, and this is going to be the last section before I jump into the demo video where I start giving my review. But your shortcut to creating affiliate sites is here. So step 1, choose your topic. Okay, you can choose to build your site on any topic, so that's really good. So you just enter the topic into, it seems, this article search function, and with no limitations, it's basically going to search for loads and loads of articles about that topic. Pick your done for you content, so then you need to manually pick which content you want. So we build an article database with over 10,000 articles for you to choose from. Now let's be realistic, you're not going to be going through 10,000 articles, are you? And we build an article database with over 10,000 articles for you to choose from. But does that mean there's 10,000 articles specifically to the topic, or is there just 10,000 articles in general? Okay, because the more niche you get, the less topics you're going to have. So if you go into I don't know, something super niche, like if this is talking about drones, I don't know much about drones, but let's say it's a specific make of a drone. How many articles are there going to be on that specific make of the drone? So that could be an issue. So again, it doesn't really tell us if that's 10,000 articles on topics across the board, if it's 10,000 articles on any one given topic. Okay, I'm gonna lean towards that's 10,000 articles across the board, which means that you could type in drone or specific sort of drone and it's only going to come up with not that many articles, but I don't know. Okay, so plus we added access to the 1.7 million images for you to choose from. And again, if you're taking products, if let's say you're building an Amazon affiliate site and you're taking products, then a lot of these products are in fact copyrighted and you are not actually allowed to use them. So again, we need more clarification here. Step 3, create your site. Click post and AffiliBuilder will build your site for you. Everything is completely done for you. Okay, so that's great. So it's giving us a little example right here. And yeah, it looks great. I mean, don't worry, it doesn't look the most prettiest of sites, but then again, it really doesn't matter. Sometimes less is more, and a simpler design is usually a more higher converting design. Okay, then they show us results with AffiliBuilder, but again, I always hate seeing these sorts of images, and the reason why is it's so easily manipulated. I mean, you know, where have these actually come from? You know, imagine seeing results like these with the AffiliBuilder software. Now, can I just emphasize that this is actually very manipulative writing, because it's saying imagine seeing results like these with the AffiliBuilder software, but it's actually not saying that these results are from the AffiliBuilder. Okay, so yeah, again, I want to see more factual information about the earning potential from the software, and not potentially random images taken offline saying, you know, it's possible to get results like this with the AffiliBuilder software, but we're not stating if this was actually done with the AffiliBuilder software. Okay, so it's a little bit manipulative, that. Okay, so and then anyway, you've got the whole to-do list, which, let's face it, no one's got the time to go through this whole thing. So let's go to video, and I'm going to cut my screen now and let's see what happens. Okay, so here's the video. Let's press play and see what happens.
Hey JVs, Kurt Chrysler here, and I just wanted to give you a quick walkthrough of my new AffiliBuilder plugin. So basically what the plugin is we wanted to create the easiest affiliate site builder on the market, and I think we've come pretty darn close to doing that.
Okay, so at least they're being consistent in what they're saying. They're basically saying that you can create an affiliate site in minutes, and realistically, if it's not easy to do, it's not going to be able to be built in minutes. So they're being consistent. So that's a good, that's a tick.
So what the plugin does, it allows people to basically automatically create affiliate sites without having to write any content without having to do any formatting and without having to go add affiliate links to every page on their site. So I just want to give you a quick walkthrough of the software. So I just set up a demo site here. You can see, it's just an empty site, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to create an affiliate site using the AffiliBuilder software. So basically the software only requires...
So just at first glance, we're looking at the screen and you can see, there's only one option with 3 submenus. You've got settings, article imports and backlinks. And actually what's nice is that these aren't really technical terms. And if you're playing around with SEO or affiliate marketing, you should really understand a little bit about backlinks, but in a nutshell, it's basically where other people take, your website and add a link to their website to your website. Okay, it's one of the main factors, which is controversial, but I believe it's true. One of the main factors that Google takes on how good a website actually is in terms of valuable content. Okay, it makes sense. The more people sharing your website, the more people, the better that content is. Okay, so let's carry on.
There's 2 API keys, and that's the YouTube API key, which anyone can get, and the Pixabay.
So hold on a minute. So here he's literally now showing us the API keys, and I don't know if those API keys are things that we need to import or if they're automatically import, but it does say here on the sales page, let's just go back, it says right here, I've just highlighted it, no APIs needed. So I'm assuming just by their wording, not mine, that we don't need to import these APIs. Okay, so hopefully that's not contradictory to the sales pitch. Let's go back to the video and continue.
Developer key, which is also something anyone can get. And then we have custom ads. They can pop in affiliate ads for any affiliate program they want. They're not limited at all. They don't need any APIs, to get their affiliate ads. All they got to do is pop them in here. And again, that can be any affiliate program they want. From there.
So I know I'm being pedantic here, but at the end of the day, these guys are asking us to spend money with them. So being thorough with everything is a really big thing. So, one of the things I've noticed straight off the back is I don't see any help guides, any little question pop-ups that say, hey, this is how you do it. As before content, not everyone understands what scripts are or what divs are or stuff like that. So this code, to me, doesn't seem that complicated, but if you've never dealt with scripts and stuff like that and you only know affiliate URLs, this can be really, really confusing. So if you don't know what this is off the bat, then really you're going to want a guide to be able to find out, oh, where is this? And I don't see, if I'm wrong and you see something, let me know, comment below. I'm only human, but I don't see anything which guides you on how to get that. And this is meant to be the easiest software, his words, to make it as easy as possible to get an affiliate site up and running. But if you don't know where to get these codes from, it ain't going to be that easy.
They can go ahead and create their site. So what we've done is, we know the biggest issue with creating any affiliate site is getting content. So there's a lot of affiliate builders out there that will, kind of scrape.
Actually, getting content now is really easy because you've got public label rights stuff, where you can buy done for you content literally in masses and spin it and then pull it into articles and stuff like that. The biggest problem with affiliate marketing is traffic generation, and also niching down, but mainly traffic generation, because if you've not got eyes on the page, then you're not gonna get sales. It's as simple as that. Okay, most people struggle with traffic generation and niching down, but the content is actually the easy bit.
Content off other people's websites and stuff like that.
An example of that is the fact that you can put in one article or one keyword into this software and import over 10,000 sorts of articles. So again, I don't believe that's factual, and I don't think that's I'm not overly keen on what you just said.
To kind of automate it, but we wanted to go a step above that. So what we did is we actually created our own article database that has over 10,000 different articles that people can import into their site using the AffiliBuilder plugin. So these are not articles that we go out and kind of grab off other.
again, I don't know what that means, and again, if you know what it means, comment below. But they're saying that they have created their own articles of 10,000. They've created their own database of over 10,000 articles. Does that mean they've actually created, like literally written out 10,000 articles? Or have they scoured through the internet to find 10,000 articles that they think are acceptable? It's very loose terminology here, and I'm not quite understanding what it is, what is so unique about this, because you can go to Google you can go to Google Alerts, put in a keyword, and that will automatically syndicate like millions of articles about specific topics. So what is, I don't understand what he means when he's created the database.
People's site, they're not other people's content. It's a article database we built just
right. So these are articles that he grabs from other people, so it's not really his own database, and we just need to take his word that he's specifically gone out and curated these content and proofread it and stuff like that. No, I don't think so.
For our users and the software. So all they need to do to create their site is come in here and pick a topic. So I'm going to just do drones. I can hit search, and what the software does is it goes out and it searches our database of articles, and you can see it brought back a whole.
I did tell you that this would be pretty detailed, and I'll be stopping every so often. But what was nice there is the fact that they entered a topic, and it didn't. The video didn't look like it was edited. So within, I think it was less than 5 seconds, it literally just poured all these articles in. So having a fast working plugin, which it actually looks like a plugin, not a theme, is actually always really nice to have. So usually with speed comes well built.
Bunch of them here. So from there, all they need to do is simply put a check mark next to the articles they want to bring in. They can set a cat.
I'm not sure that looked like 10,000. Again, it would be really nice for like a number count on top, so somewhere here you would be able to see like how many articles it's just generated for us. Again, it's just me being a bit fussy, but either way.
Categories, so I can just do drones here. And then they can also add a featured image. This is where Pixabay comes in. So they don't have to go out and find images. They can simply do a search on Pixabay, and that'll bring back related images that they can use as a featured image. So I can just select one here, and I can repeat that process for each of these and get all of my images done. So again, we just select an image, and at any point they can totally change the search. I could do quadcopter and do a search for that, and that'll bring back obviously different images from Pixabay. So I can select some of those, and I'll add one more here, and I just select the image, and then they can either do it as a post or page. I'm going to do post, so I'm going to hit import, and you can see the software went ahead and created those on their site. So now if I go ahead and refresh the site here, you'll see my...
Right, my issue with that is, let me just rewind it a little bit. So my issue here is the fact that we only seen the titles of the articles, but we actually don't know what's within the articles. And again, I don't see any spinning, anything spinning, any text spinning or anything like that. So again, this is potentially going to be content that is just posted over and over again. And Google... It's not factual what I'm about to say, but Google have been known to penalize websites, especially low authoritative websites which have potentially poor quality articles on them, for duplicating other content. Okay, so if you've got other high authoritative websites which are, which have gone through the time to post these articles a year ago or 2 years ago, and then here we come with a brand new website posting this one article, then our site can potentially be destroyed just because we've repeated this article. Now, if there was a built-in spinner or something like that, that would be great. And also, if you're posting crap, you're only going to get crap results. So, yeah.
Site has been created. So if I click on any of these, you'll see the software brought in that featured image we got from Pixabay. It has the title.
So that's actually really nice. I mean, I know what I'm saying, but I am trying to be fair as well. And having to if you quickly select those posts and post it like that with the featured images, already boom, you've got yourself a full-blown website. So that's pretty handy.
Of the article, here are the custom ads I put in. I just used standard Amazon ads that brought in the content for me. It also brings in a related YouTube video. That's why we have the YouTube API.
So just in case you're not 100% sure, when we were going through the custom ads bit, when I was talking about, there's no guide to show you those custom ads and stuff, how to get that code, this is basically what's going to be displaying, which again is actually a really nice little feature. But anyway, Carol.
If we go up and look at this, we have the 126W quadcopter, and it found a video for that.
That's a cool little feature. That's really good. The fact that it will automatically find a relatable video of it. But I'm curious about how similar it is, because obviously if you've got a product or you're doing Amazon products like this demo is showing, you can't really have the software bringing in products which isn't the same product that it's related to, because then it becomes misleading. So that's not, it's good and it's bad. It's a double-edged sword.
Exact one. So it's basically searching the article title on YouTube and then bringing in a related video. And then here is my next set of ads as well. So you can see in literally a matter of minutes, they can create a full affiliate site. They don't need to write any content. They don't need to import videos. They don't need to go out on the web and find images. They don't need to insert their affiliate links into every post. Everything's completely done for them.
What just happened there? Did you see that? So that looked like a whole, oh, there. What's all of this? So that looks like something called Visual Composer, and Visual Composer is like a drag and drop plugin. So I'm kind of curious why that's showing. Is this software completely based off that? What's going on there basically? Is that going to show up on our site? Why is it showing up on his site? This is a demo video. Are we going to find this, and then is it going to start? Are we going to have to start contacting the support? What is going on there? What is that?
It's incredibly easy to use. Doesn't require any APIs, which of course has been a huge headache for anyone that sells any kind of site builder that uses, like the Amazon API and their new rules. So everything is just incredibly simple.
Another thing is, if they're saying that it's going to build as an affiliate site in just minutes, what about the legal information? You can get in a lot of trouble if you're not telling people that you are earning a commission if they buy it. So where's the legal information? If it's telling us that it's building us a site in minutes and that we don't need to create anything, I've not seen anything spoken about the legal aspect of it. And again, that should be one of the biggest priorities, because if you're selling a product, a done-for-you product, you don't want your customers to be getting in trouble. So the video's not finished yet, but let's carry on.
Type in a topic, choose your articles, grab an image, and you're done.
Again, at the very beginning, it wasn't clear if we actually do require the APIs. He says here we don't, and he just said there, but we saw that there were two fields which required APIs. We didn't see him input them, so hopefully they'll be pre-populated, but I'm just not sure.
So it is a very, very easy site builder to use, and something I think people are going to love because it's so easy to do. They can get a site up in a matter of minutes. So with the AffiliBuilder software, of course, we have a full...
That I agree with. So far, it has looked really, really simple. I would like to see a guide or something just to explain how to get like the scripts for the ads and stuff like that. But so far, it actually does look incredibly simple. Okay, so that was AffiliBuilder. I do hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully I did come across fair. I do think it's really important that you give both sides, positive and negative, to it. I've spent thousands and thousands of pounds on these sort of softwares, and a lot of the time they've never really done what they say they've done. But overall, this particular software hasn't really been trying to sell you a dream or anything like that, or at least my understanding of it hasn't. It's literally said it does this, and it does this, and it just showed a quick demo showing us that it does this, it does this, it does this. Okay, we didn't cover the backlinks, and I can see it actually covers the backlinks in this section here, but that will be for another day if you want to go into more detail about that. It would have been nice to see it in the other video, but whatever. Hopefully you enjoyed, and again, if you want to see another up and coming software that's not yet reached the market but is up and coming, go ahead and leave the comment below, and I will review it, no problem at all. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.